Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix your operating system version is outdated in the Ledger Live. So let me guide how to fix it. First of all, you have to just open your system settings, and in your system settings you have to just click on the update and the security. So once you are here in your update and the security, click on the Windows update option in the left menu and then click on the check for the update. So it will automatically checking for the update. If any update is available for your operating system, it will automatically update your system. First of all, you will download the update if available and then install it. This process may take about 15 to 20 minutes, then you have to be patient. Make sure that you also update your Ledger Live. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.